Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of action cameras with the GoPro HERO9 Black, touted as the best GoPro for motorcycle enthusiasts. Let's unpack why this camera deserves that title. First off, let's talk about the video quality. With the HERO9 Black, you're getting stunning 5K resolution video. That's right, 5K. This means unparalleled clarity and detail, making sure every moment of your motorcycle adventures is captured with lifelike precision. But it's not just about the video. The HERO9 Black also boasts a 20MP camera, delivering crisp, pro-quality photos. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or action-packed shots on the road, this camera has got you covered. Now, let's talk about stabilization. One of the biggest challenges of capturing footage on a motorcycle is dealing with shaky, unstable footage. But fear not, because the HERO9 Black features Hyper-Smooth 3.0, GoPro's most advanced stabilization technology yet. And here's a game-changer for motorcycle vloggers, the front-facing display. With the HERO9 Black, you can easily frame your shots and ensure you're always in the frame, thanks to the front LCD display. No more guesswork. Now, let's talk about endurance. The HERO9 Black features a larger 1720 mAh battery, giving you 30% longer battery life compared to its predecessor. So whether you're on a short ride or an epic road trip, you can trust that this camera will keep up with you every step of the way. But wait, there's more. The HERO9 Black also comes with a host of additional features, including hindsight, which captures video from 30 seconds before you press record, ensuring you never miss a moment. And let's not forget about live streaming and webcam mode, perfect for sharing your motorcycle adventures in real time with your audience. So there you have it, folks. The GoPro HERO9 Black truly deserves its title as the best GoPro for motorcycle enthusiasts. With its unmatched video quality, advanced stabilization, and a plethora of features tailored for adventure seekers, it's a must-have companion for every rider out there. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, ride safe and keep capturing those epic moments.